Okay, good afternoon, Cuxton. We have got a couple of classes missing, but I'm not sure whether they're in with someone else. So we're going to make a start now anyway, because we don't want to go home late at the end of the day. So we're going to start with our certificates as we always do. So we're going to start in early years, and it's the first time this year I've been able to say that. So early years are going to be joining us for assemblies now going forward, which is just wonderful. And early years, what happens, Oak and Ash, is that each week you get 2 certificates and you give the children a really big round of applause. So we're going to start off in Oak class. So we have Freya, who's been working so hard on her reading and writing skills. You are reading and writing sentences already. Wow, Freya, that is phenomenal. Well done. So we've got, thank you. We've got Will, who's showing off your marvellous math skills when ordering numbers. Keep it up, Will. And we've got Nadia, who's in Ash class for your wonderful reading and blending skills. Well done. Keep it up, Nadia. And we've got Albie for playing so nicely, taking it in turns with your friends, playing hide and seek. Oh, that's lovely, Alfie. Showing a real sense of community. Well done. Now let's give Oak and Ash a huge round of applause. I do apologise, I've got quite a squeaky chair. I don't know if you can hear it. So we're off to year 1 now. So we have a certificate here for Oscar for always helping adults and friends, so demonstrating our community value, Oscar. And we have Joseph, who's also demonstrating the community value for helping to look after friends in Forest School. Keep it up, Joseph. We have a certificate here. Oh, actually, Mrs. Mulholland said to me this morning, Mrs. Aldenbury, is it okay if I give 3 certificates this week? And I said, yes, Mrs. Mulholland, that is absolutely fine. And the reason Mrs. Mulholland's given a 3rd certificate is because last week Elm class had a new pupil. So Amelia J joined Elm class last week, and she made a fantastic start to her life at Cuxton. So well done, Amelia. Really lovely to hear that you settled well. And off to Pine class now. So I'm going to let another class in. We have Ethan in Pine for his excellent work in English in creating captions for space images. Well done, Ethan. And we have Harry S for his beautiful sentences in English and PSHE. Keep it up, Harry. Really, really impressive. Let's give year 1 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 1. Off to year 2 now. So we have Darcy, who's demonstrating resilience in her learning. So demonstrating one of our school values, Darcy. Keep it up. And we have Chloe for a beautiful, beautiful map of the UK in geography. Big well done, Chloe. We have Mason in Birch class for his resilience with his handwriting. Congratulations, Mason. And Millie for being a helpful member of the class community. Oh, demonstrating the community value, Millie. Well done. Let's give year 2 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 2. Off to year 3. So we have Anu, who's trying really hard in maths, so demonstrating excellence and also resilience in her learning. We have Oliver, who's really working hard to improve his behaviour. Well done, Oliver. And we have Dexter for demonstrating the community values, setting high standards in politeness and good manners. Well done, Dexter. And we have Violet, who's demonstrating excellence for fantastic contributions and listening in our discussions of PSHE and RE. So demonstrating our excellence value, Violet. Let's give year 3 a round of applause. Well done, year 3. Off to year 4 now. So we have Maggie, who's shown resilience when working independently. Keep it up, Maggie. We have Soam for his fantastic phonics learning. Well done, Soam. We have Bo, who's demonstrated resilience for taking risks during class discussions in our new topic. Well done, Bo. And we have Bobby for excellent photo editing and computing, who's also demonstrating excellence. So well done. Let's give year 4 a round of applause. Congratulations, year 4. So off to year 5, so we have Bella C in Chestnut for her perseverance in maths when multiplying. And her year 5 is working really hard at their multiplication. We have Alyssa in Chestnut for being great help to her class community. Keep it up, Alyssa. We have Ethan, a well-presented Egyptian timeline. in Olive, and I know how much the Year 5s are already enjoying their new topic of Egyptians. And we have Isabella R for a beautiful sketch of a canopic jar. Well done, Isabella. Let's give Year 5 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 5. Off to Year 6. So we have Zach in White Beam, who's showing community values by volunteering to help out on a regular basis. Well, I bet Mrs. Carvin's very chuffed with that. We have Millie for showing excellence in describing the forest from the Jungle Book. Lovely pieces of descriptive writing going on. We have Amy M in Willow class for excellence when multiplying by 10, 100 and 1,000. Keep it up, Amy, trying really hard. And we have Lily P for demonstrating excellence in debating and when discussing whether Mongolian should join the wolf pack. So Year 6 are learning all about the Jungle Book as their class read. So let's give Year 6 a huge round of applause. Well done, Year 6. Okay, off to the Tidiest Classroom Awards. So the Tidiest Classroom in the infant school goes to, drum roll, Dot Pine class. And I know I had some visitors in the school this morning, and the visitors were really impressed with Pine class and how settled they were and how beautiful their classroom looked. So big well done, children, Mrs. Hutchin, Miss Sarah, Mrs. Balestrini. It's really pleasing to hear. And the Tidiest Classroom in the junior school goes to, drum roll, Stop Holly class. Well done, Holly. It's lovely to see a Year 4 class winning the Tidiest Classroom this week. Now, the attendance awards. So I do know this week we've had a few children off with COVID, okay? So our attendance is slightly down this week, Cuxton, but I don't think it can be helped. It's a national thing. So the best attendance in the infant school with 94.9% goes to, drum roll, Stop Ash class. So a big well done to Ash class. So Ash class, what we do now is we have a look and see if the junior class have got a better attendance. And if they have, they get to have the golden envelope. So we will see. The best attendance in the junior school with 98.6%, so better than Ash class, goes to, drum roll, Cherry class. Well done, Cherry. So the golden envelopes are coming your way. So you get to choose 15 minutes of free play, whether that's in the ICT suite, in your classroom or outside. So enjoy your 15 minutes of time. So we have some other certificates here now to hand. Oh no, not certificates. We have got some certificates. Here we go. We've got some bronze certificates. So we have Amelia OB in Year 4 who has her bronze certificate. We have Jack in Year 3 who has his bronze certificate. We have Archie in Year 1 who has his bronze certificate in Elm class. And we have Jack in Year 4 who has his bronze certificate. I'm trying to cover up the surname. There we go. Big well done to all those children that have achieved 100 zeros. Fantastic achievement. So we have house points now. So let me have a look. So I haven't had a chance to look at them yet. So in 4th place this week with 3,805 house points goes to, drum roll, Stop Heaver. So Heaver got a bit of catching up to do. In 2nd place this week with, oh, hang on. Oh, no, 3rd place. Sorry, I've jumped ahead one. In 3rd place this week with 4,330 points goes to, drum roll, Leeds. Okay, so in 2nd place this week with 4,720 points goes to, drum roll, Stop Rochester. So with a staggering 5,795 points goes to Dover. So well done, Dover, working really, really hard with your house points. So please keep it up. Very impressive. Okay, we have, and I presume these are reading scores because I haven't got anything on them to say they are, but I presume that's what they are. So let me have a look. So the winners this week, the most home reads goes to, drum roll, Stop, with 72 home reads, Holly class. So well done, Holly. So a couple of classes are lagging behind. So we need to make sure we're doing lots of home reading and we're bringing in those reading records. Okay, last but not least, we've got the golden book. And when I looked earlier, we had quite a few names, which was lovely to see. So let's make a start. We've got Soham J for his excellent phonics learning. We've got Joseph H for effective use of vocabulary and figurative language in a descriptive setting. We have Sophie L and Eva H for superb descriptive writing. We have Harry C for brilliant additional work at home about the Egyptians. We have Owen R for amazing work on locating the English counties. Superb handwriting too. And then I've got a comment here to say his maths book was just as fab as well. So well done, Owen. So Lily Rose L for great understanding of captions. Lily drew a fab picture of the moon to suit the caption. To Millie T, Tiger L, Nellie W, Quinn H for beautiful sketches of robins and a great use of colour. Oh, I'd love to see those. Please bring them down. I'd like some more artwork for my wow wall. We have Amelia May B for writing an excellent story about a sea monster at home. So not even in school, at home. Well done, Amelia. To Ruben J, Charlotte N and Myla H for completing missing number and subtraction problems independently. And just before the assembly, I saw Arthur D for his excellent diagram of the Earth. So a big well done to all those children for being in the golden book this week. And also, whilst I've got you all on Teams, I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of you that have donated or bought things off of our Amazon wish list. It's so kind of you. So some more things have turned up today, so we haven't looked at them yet, but it's really, really kind of all the children and the families that have donated already. So thank you so, so much. I hope you have a fantastic week, Cuxton, and I will see you when I do a wander round at some point tomorrow. Speak to you soon. Bye.